Graphing a line. In order to graph an equation in algebra, we have to follow three basic steps that you already know. 1. Solve the equation for y. 2. Create a table of value. 3. Plotting points. Here, we will apply concepts that you already know, such as solving an equation and replacing variable for a number. Let's begin. Example 1. X plus y equals 10. Now to apply the first step, we need to solve the equation for y. We end up with y equals 10 minus x. Second step, creating table of value. This part is easy because you can choose any number that you want. X equals 3, x equals 1, x equals 0, x equals -1, and x equals -3. Remember that you need to replace the letter x for given values. The final value for the table of value would be when x equals 3, y equals 7, x equals 1, y equals 9, x equals 0, y equals 10, x equals -1, y equals 11, x equals -3, y equals 13. Now we plot the point into the graph.
Let's practice. Take your time and try the following exercises. When you finish, check your answers with mine.
2y plus x equals 15. Now we need to solve the equation for y. Y equals 15 minus x over 2. The second step is creating a table of value. We will use x equals 3, x equals 1, x equals 0, x equals -1, and x equals -3. Remember that you need to replace the letter x for the given values. The final value for the table of values would be the following. When x equals 3, y equals 6, x equals 1, y equals 7, x equals 0, y equals 7.5, x equals -1, y equals 8, x equals -3, y equals 9. Now we plot the point into the graph.